bro. So light. Yeah, transformations. We transform ourselves to transform people. Minianum mecheche mo nyina. Menim se Onyankopon adaromanti no mo nyina no mo ho ye. Meso amene mo ka say no, I am very well. Adom bi adom enti. Ya ho aye. Ena me pese me dem odi nkomo kakra bi ti me ba cha wo ba so a na what share video no. After so no betimi na wa like a video no. So adamfo bi abusuani bi obepe de e ba be discuss here na why invite you. And they be discussing the repercussions to our actions must be considered before steps taken. E chere say ade bia na ye be ye no. Ye ni kan ensusu ensunsanso no ho ansa. The repercussions to our actions must be considered before steps taken. I chere say answer na yebetu anamon bia no ebehia pa say sa anamon na ye ba betu no ni nsunsanso no yebehwe mu yi answer. Where very important idea and person we discuss it, and I hope say yen shana nche bebrebe. And say lately no ma hu say nipa bebrebe I dey many things are across social media for the past few days. I have me akasa no endura ade bechi and na no pay na I got time to listen to some few things because me share na pa me hear me praise we na there was time kakra, so I have to listen to some few things. I took like an hour, about 1 hour. Now me tie a series of things. To be honest with you, I wasn't happy. Now my teacher said, "Send me from home. My mom can say, but now me need time and tie BBA." But me tie and send me we say, na I'm a So today I decided say we have to have some few things to discuss about situations like that. So the money so when you be and then your platform we so your friend of transformations. Transformation no your professor say o se sound who free tie ti bia a wom akọ changing whatever is happening around you no na obenya something else positive. And if any transformation na enya sorry transformation any secret society be any occult society be ku a yen nyina ya adwen aba benkrum se yebetimi adi abrabo so na yetimi adi nkunim wa abrabo mu a ese se yete yankasa ye ho ase ansa ye na ye ba abrabo no Say betimi edi abrabo so nkonimu a ese say yan kasa yete ye ho ase. Understanding ourselves. Then ese say yete nature ase. Nyankopon ni wiase na wabo. Ene mra e govern sa Nyankopon ni wiase na wabo no. Ese say sa e wiase fe ni nature no, and after the laws of nature no, ese say ye den yete ase. Ene biom no say o nature o ho dia na eyobi na bo nature no. Nti sa nipa kro ana dekode na obo nature ne so no, ese say yete na ase. So understanding ourselves, understanding nature, understanding the creator, this three triangle, you know, very important. Then the relationship between Sahanomami and Sabi, you know, and not transformation in Homa. To one out, you know, because you know, so I was to me, dear Brabosum Kunimua, and found the baby, I was away or bow your bema. So I won't marry as a second because I will tell Mwasi. Because I won't tell Mwasia, a bad day, so open your directions in life in Po. So when you away, you will not be able to even carve any goals for yourself. So first thing, so important, you need to understand yourself. So in mysticism, no, what can you say? Man, know thyself. Man, know thyself. As a now when you back away. Because said ye did ye that ye no show and we was assassin all those things around us, no. And yet, maybe now. Now, I work with some principles to be, and we need to understand the laws of nature, and answer the law that governs the manipulation of the creation. And after the last thing, the supreme being behind creation must be somehow understood. Now we are the relationship between these three things, and a transformation in home. Nti emfa ho ni asori akọ emfa ho say we are Kramoni emfa ho say we are Christoni we are Hare Krishna we are Hindu ni we are Buddhist ni and I won kwa asori mpo emfa ho say we are Oba emfa ho say we are Bema we are Bibini we are Bruni. Transformation is good and there for all of us. And at times in some people na akwai social issue na amakwa hia say yemfa ya no ntumu bi and na me pese me ni mu di nkomo kakra bi na yenkoma na yebedi no. It will be based on what is trending at the moment. And no matter how cause say see na yenina aye he wo man no and I'm say we should look at some other angle. You know, like I'm saying, say I have machine by 1 hour or so now, minya break 80 some amount for videos be on my year and some few things happening around, you know. I felt say obi biya attention only one side depend. Because of this, you have another angle of her. Now, if it's a man for my dream and cohort. So I decided, say, young can be fair no. Now, man for say, the person is if I am now, now one person be issue. Name Yemina no ever fire. At the end, say, now me video be, and in fact, there's a lady, Meno Martini, but I mentioned that and I'm in a personal interaction. A lady called Tracy, and now me video. No, I saw some nice lady go for pa no kasa. Like I'm saying, but to say stories behind around, but not being shared and delve into it. Not being shared one and share video. Be a personally no, I am the type of and no my a negative. No my put young microphone. I am a person may take so much time delving into them because man kasa me spirit no and negativity. They say friction, confrontation, and no matter be a man nipa ntem enwo me cramp. So you'll be a what study me and I will bear me. You'll understand, say, I find it very, very difficult knowing things around me and family. I am the type I mind my business all the time. And until be something is happening very close to me. Now I don't even pay attention because you'll be a mental farmer no end to professing. But I did you I take some social dimension be and to be a social person will be a binum tio can't say my mom for BTR. Never here as what one number 2. Like I said, me some few voice being other things, you know. I saw say obi bia no follow one trend be, but there's other side that amount for my dream call. So I decided say I should come over there and then here just say you bet him no man at 2 years. So the enemy money the whole story monim same because we could have seen more. I said Tracy Boachino and then in about Maysville, they have some kind of issue be from there now be hey. Now Tieti and Sally be another be have mood and we mean the one can a bit more to pass on the terms a woman, a bit more to pass, you know, I might not be able to even repeat those things. But at the back one, a man for my game course on say. In fact, I watch this my sister Tracy Boachim meaning say be somehow that if you happen to watch this video, please your friend Jen, I'm just a humble servant and I don't have any information about you. I just feel say no man no maybe somehow or the other you get to listen to me and I hope say you will listen to me. You know, and so I'm telling you and to the point say I term, Papa no, everywhere people are talking about this thing, which I think say it is something Ghana for Ankasano. Excuse me, Ghana for Ankasano. And to move grow too much. You know, that's why I say Ghanaians at times you grow too much. I grow too much to the point say see a year for the 19 aba. We are say among food in our economy, I break it down. Ghana any exceptional. Your economy in the Quran, I get a crossing will be added compared to other places. Now, among for near break, excuse me. Among for any area, or more air pump into or more a doctor for next physician, as a bay or met me and your basin. Said the bay I raise a chow or many the video money in Nassau. Among for economy, I break it down. There are many countries that are paying for they are actually creating the awareness. Among people say you need normal times. Now you are able to curtail the difficulties in our time now. No, until no other spaces like go to other countries. The whole space is occupied with some developmental agenda. And no matter they are talking about COVID-19 all the time. When you be able to follow trauma. You will see say almost every day, no, he's briefing the nation about the status of the American COVID-19 situation every day. So you'll be able to follow international news, you know, say every day they are updating. No, see, they understand. Say one person is something anybody see, and until they are doing everything, they are occupying the whole space with information about the current situation, COVID-19, the economy is breaking down. What do we need to do? By your idea, and no more be a seer. Make us a 7 previous and China and from Punto Cassibia Mano. The seer are trendy alphabet beer. And it is a record and so on. So I am so far every day, be a 1, 2, 3 days now. Minister of Health and the information about one thing in regards to our status, in regards to COVID-19, Nipa Hinenya carrying positive cases, and na whatever information is on amount for follow bio. People are not actually following these things anymore. We will be out here, but now we kind of crab say the protocols I see in this one, baby, in so, you know. Among for any end this the energy. The government is actually suffering like anything, trying to fix the broken economy because of COVID-19. No matter, you know, there are many things that you might not even know, but the government underground they are working things so hard. But unfortunately, in the area space in India, yet to me now, they be managed trend better 2 weeks to 1 month. I'll be come no. Now, and said that emphasis so Cassia and Mara of mine as a whole. And so the emphasis be a or mine as a whole. And you know, the Indian bad is like I was saying, no. So what's here in Niabano a Tracy? Personally, now me just a need a number. So there's some few people are minimum one. I presume say be on one number. If I a 4 and I'm from because when I watch a video I don't pay, you know, I felt say someone needs to sit her down. This is how I felt. I felt say she is somehow or the other going overboard. And into no ABI and a ferry for be and then in Casa. Say Quebec Timia. Say Quebec Timia. And on free social media kakra. Na on international or analyzing no makakra. So betia. So I spoke to about 4 people. Omunina said no more number or but it seems they don't have contact with anymore. So they will find out no money number, no money. I say, please, I am saying this as a father. And they say, I learned that I will add the bucket to our young and into 3 months or 4 months visa, which means say, oh, here attention, the bunny here attention, pa. But the CIA no baby as issue, we know, abeduno. I take it some political dimension. Now, political dimension, I take you know. And I'm saying, analyzing it now from the both sides, Benkum Nifa, a Chini and Monet, who you may be able to see. So there are 2 things that mean about Tracy, no obeying. So be now, or you're a counselor, and I life coach be or Bannon. These are the 2 things that, as I said, or focus on arguing. And they say, and some of the kind of and some I said, being jealous, and yeah, they won't see ye. But as I take a political dimension. And again, I see, few months, now about the Twaba. And as I have by about 2020, I am being sincere with you guys. 2020 election is going to be head-on election now. Remember, NDC for your mind say, or more of a election easily. It is going to be very difficult for them. Something MPP, I am telling you guys there. Mamonya Margin say, more of easily. Very difficult for you people. So that election where you idea a BNC or Canada. 2020 election, a BNC Canada. They make you guys to mark my words. January no, I said many things about what we should be expecting this year. I know you'll be able to follow me. You know, so almost everything I said is coming to pass. Now I said something about our election because this year being number 4. And number 4, I said ambition. They say, yeah, they kitty. And because say Mars and Saturn, they have conjoined in the house, the house of enemy, no. If you do remember, I told you, say the whole world economy was going to crash down. There were some areas here, according to the forecast, there will be some series of earthquakes and all those things. And I personally said, it says COVID-19, according to the numerical calculation, it is on the 23rd of September. And a COVID-19 back from to the point say, now no movement be easy. So I told you, say even that time, no, ne free hop. But now I mean, mama Joa, man go bet me to cry, or bet me to cry, baby, or bet me baha. Only say we still have to follow those protocols. Yeah, by a bedroom say, by February, more than a month was no, Yadia no acha by May Neko, a been so acha by June Neko. I went back to Adom TV and I made this statement, said no, it is never true that according to the readings, by 23rd of September, then COVID-19, to the point that then no more people can travel on their normal daily activities. But still now, we will be forced to follow those basic protocols. And you can see, we are in August today. Today is 19th. Okay? You get to September, getting to the end of September, and normally a little bit loosened. Those who are doing their business can travel and all that, but still, they are really in the info. And I can say, because of the number 4 and the conjunction of Mars and Saturn are more the same house, the house of enemy, it means that look at around the world, normal ACC. So, among for more election, they were 2020, especially a third word comes to Ghana, you are very careful, and numbers is a young go pet, and numbers is a young go pet. During this registration, you saw what happened. A month will be after a month for a just ordinary election. I mean registration. And this year election ain't very easy. To make up say see the air person you nearby Tracy Boachene, Mexico say who say even honorable Japan crown so overcome be on the Menyanti in the later who said not Tracy responding to whatever he said. And the prime minister now come be also about Captain Smart, and it takes so many dimensions. The thing say Tracy Boache no NDC ni to the best of my knowledge the minimum no say am for catch them. So adie bi obeka no ebeko atia NDC. Ana ade na aba no according to say you say nipa na all body din say ono na to fear man and all that no. People are presuming say oh ebeye Mahama. I mean you don't have to hide it. When a man go get car, you know, the insinuation and all that, you know, people are thinking so ebeye papa na. That is Mahama sana man for yadu yomo. Which personally I don't know. But I'll be very surprised to say if it is him. Okay? And nti okan asem bia na say enya ebeko akokotia NDC more as an MPP. And NDC for omo feel say staying in opposition for another 4 years they are not ready for that. And MPP tasting power for 4 years, they are not ready to leave it. But this year election, you know, dynamics are completely different. Here is a former president who has spent his 1 term or the 4 years as a president by the constitution. And the also say incumbent Nana Adonango Akufo-Addo. Also a president no. Also ever be 4 years by 7th December. And you know now na say whoa 4 years now baby Ghana so no. Then now yeah. Something I was over baby Ghana 4 years and then why? So what stage all the other previous elections no. According to incumbent one you be a contest any new person afina all back kunyanum. And you know once many promises and amount for man me ba me say onyama that ntimi assess any pan in any way. But Mahama is coming this time around. He can be assessed based on the performance or from 2012 to 2016. Danado can be assessed based on his performance from 2016 to 2020. And the way at the end now social media is going to take a very great chunk of the people on the now everywhere 4 years ago the way on social media are powerful and then now almost everybody is using a smartphone, everybody is getting all the videos and all the information and circulating. So the dynamics in the 2020 election are completely different compared to all the other elections. So this year election, NDC will not take it easily. NPP will not take it easily. At the end of the day, yes, we are trying to say an independent must come in and try to create some big an independent candidate, will decide who becomes the president in next year from January 7th going. Now, Bana said, as an independent, the support to be here and we will give you our term and conditions. Say, I deal with as grass and I'm making sure say constitution must be changed. Not as grass, so who win it as an MP? When you call 4 years, you get them out as grass. Name months who win it there, young mouth because Ghana you may be anywhere, you call pension more than one time. And you know, I buy the CIA will minister back, that's 125 or so. And it's also too much. Each minister piano, yeah, mount, car back, V8. There's a saloon car, very nice one, and yeah, ordinary one or Benz need BMW ordinary, very expensive. $100,000, $70,000. The amount big V8. Omo car no kun sika nyabro. And it abano, yes, all person me independent, yes support to wa. It means say we unya konya na. One farm minister ya best 70. See the remaining about 50 ministers na kano. Omo expenses ya wo omo omo driver, omo security, omo fi ometenem ni all those kadi nyina no nkeka mo ngam go develop o man no. Enya no kuma as I say we make sure say constitution election say a 20-year development plan that like I said obi bia na ba as now we are no auto. So those things in our bamua na obi bi we the person will set up. Okay? And in the election dynamics assistant no. Said the air con obi bia na obey bibia obe feel disadvantaged no on taking lightly. The obi bia na person 2 year nearby a Tracy Boache for no. These are the 2 points I'm a person obey. I don't know her, tell me Nimuno, I would have done that. May share that Nimuno, and I mean number. But I spoke to some people, be a bit of waiting in Gaza. First thing they say, they are all are taking political dimension. And I know, say, MVP, being a very smart political party, will take advantage of whatever is happening. Even though many of them also normally they are not even upright. So as you buy now, so you know, baby, Yakoto Fiaman, Yatokaman, and I am telling you, MPP is a baby for you know where they come yet. But obedient Abentino, young Bumuja, na your Bumuja, and as a benefit, you never we like it. And it is the Bachano says, you know, NBC Fuankasa, what is happening. So she feels threatened somehow or the other. The aircon. According to say the CS NBC lose 2020 election. Some people might even think, say, Matrix Ibuache, they may hear the Kamubi the man NBC for the Elusuye. So as soon as the NBC this Awenia, they might think, say, they may hear how I'm to know, they might come after me. These two things, you know, of course, one argue. And I don't forget to say, because 2016, they say, I'm going to the dinner baby because of Baba, because of NBC in India. Now, NBC for now, or me or Mokovan, say, see, as they feel so peeved because of the AC. Until now, she's so disturbed to the point, say, my parents are home for no, they are not happy with what I'm doing or what is happening. And now, Sandy Pana, why the board of contention, will you be a life coach? Will you be a counselor? You'll understand. Say, Sister Tracy, she is disturbed. Many Bema crowd and call out. But me, as a psychic person, as somebody who is a life coach and a counselor, no, I know say two things. Bema crowd or the board of contention now, you find a papa no, I will be any man. Sandy Pani or Bema. Ultimate Fiema or bar, it means say, when you or you'll be or smart or intelligent. Says Canako, we are the person is not a stupid person. Why intelligent, you know, to the point say, what did you man for to Fiema for? Any man who is very intelligent and very smart. Now the girlfriend Beba Bontin every day or by a live video. Now all kinds of something have to do with almost have a panel. Any urban relationship or no, the man being a responsible man will not sit down. It's either say or be power just a mesro. I didn't know we are Mbwa at the Ninguasia back. Said the name as a papa say or Yenpo according to a young say or Emperor Bibi. You know, yes, the away and when Jaina a Koyana wife for tea as embassy. And it is that. I then so no. Say a cost one me the Bible until one young partner position be the Kramia, ne a barber. So the man will approach our sister Tracy this way, and into the way in a giant. Na Obia Onyasika, no Timoto fear our Isla Goma Bano. Sandy Panica, some girlfriend. The girlfriend will listen. I am telling you this as a psychic and as a life coach and as a counselor. Obama, Otimu Sika. More than $100,000. Eto efie ewo Islegon edema oba no. Sa be man no say the girlfriend no ye bibi. No ka say the wo ye no mani nye hu jaya. Oba no I am telling you no matter how oba ni embu ade no. Oba no obejai. That's the first thing. For the fact to say Sister Tracy ogusu a obi aka asema oba na oba be respond on it means say two things. Papa no Enka Bibian Chred no say onjai because the oil no a good animasi. And now the man is very angry, and based on that fact, the man has cut any connection between or no any about tracing. Two things. The American, I don't know whether you're following me. The American say, Bema Biana is a CIA, we are very intelligent. For you to be able to have money enough, say, Umpenaphobia to fear more. It means that when you're dumb, when you're stupid, when you're a smart guy, and like a smart person, no, send a girlfriend a barb on thing, a back and send a yes in baby as and some move do. Ah, those in seminal, a bit in your forest up upon making, I will be any no. Sandy pan on Tenassi man, girlfriend, and yes, sir. So you'll be a very liberal, or even discipline your principal pa, and your idea of that Tenassi because according to the story behind all what is happening, no. Nipa na crown wo yere ebi o sa wo ma enti ni di ko ba bon tin a ebe ya nimguase enti no any responsible man will tell the girlfriend say my dear Tracy please stop this your video so no one way e begu mani mu ase ebi a me ken o MPP mu ana o NDC mu China be say me party e we ne power e bi e be kase wo nti omo bre e kwa omo we nti no e be mati me lose some positions bi nti no stop. And obi owo sika that to that point otimi to fie is the more ba no say nipa no kan asem a oba no be tie nka onye life no biem no in say papa na kan asem no so when tie no course no ye ne life na one me ya papa no be da ni be separate and oba be na wo to na be mati to fie ma toka say nipa no be person ni ntem be say no oba person nipa no course no no ntre nti otufo a you will listen. But just for the fact say you know about Tracy in Buso all your video all the time, no, as a psychic, as a life coach, as a counselor, and what I'm telling you is say there's every probability say Papa no has cut any connection between himself and you know about Tracy. And until at first, she is coming out boldly every time to come and speak anytime somebody goes against her. And also come on she'll feel disturbed say papa ya onenti we nyina be sha ase amabenya atamfo e wo Ghana space no even in my own party amount for better time me because of this so papa na me jenachi abekoko ya me ne mes bekoka asem ba e di we nyina aba no so papa na me ntam kokko say ya o china bi no those people no ebenyame so the stress and the depression set in and when stress and depression set in no obi bia kan asem bia you cannot keep quiet, you will come out and then respond to it. And into the two things. Papa no man na on the center of all this whatever is happening no. Say or you be or you responsible. All man the girlfriend no enko so enye the oba all the time no. So the man will be angry and he'll tell you you need to stop this. Na nan do you responsible enough for timi to fie e ma free this intino or can asma wo betie. So for the fact say ugu so wo ye ne say is either say papa no en kan say die de wo ye no ana say papa na bi say de wo ye no ye di gbase man intino wa twe no afiri hu to the point say because wa block you o fe na on peke o di number of friend who say one wa kate no because of that you know stress and depression was set in because we presume say hey china bi di pa na menye ne kura e ko papa yi hu so te say papa no ne men kasa bi mu a wait obete because according to the story no as a Miss Benny old girlfriend and obete pick na she was called her back bi so onu free ho a Miss Ben will know say yes oni ni hobi so you think is hey na wo kura me gina wa kiko ko ntokpai so so oni mi agaya which means say ni pa na menye ne ko ye ne better sa papa no dey wajami so the stress and then depression sets in na no kura so na ma me pedi fo gbo fu mi no hey na nipa na mi di na kia konto kompo no ono na ye mi say and am saying issue with my party members so high level of depression high level of stress was setting anything no obi bia kan say bia na you cannot keep that anger there you want to come out there and then voice it out till the make out say anything yes say see me near Tracy meaning I'm a very humble person. I don't have anything against you. You might have your own issue. One can say they haven't I'm not interested to go into the details. But stress, depression are set in. And you know, at times when you go to such situation, you cannot help yourself. You need somebody who is not in that condition to help you. Find somebody who can advise you. Go offline. Remember social media bio. Because the more now we it is actually affecting your party. And this is see, you know what I mean? I don't like NDC, I don't like MB because it's only never happen. It is affecting your party and you are generating more enemies. And the pana or your papa na or by the board of contention, only be no your bema or bob brings our point, no person and girlfriend, better social media, na BBano, now worry some, many fears them. And all and until the person will not be happy and the person might not even come to you anymore because of that you'll be more stressed, you'll be disappointed, you will feel betrayed and then depression sets in about the someone here about affected on Ukraine. So me pamacho obi no counselor and obi bia oni mama ya bi o contact I try Many number. Many confirm me number. So now your number. I'm going to block it. We will find ways and means to talk to her. We say, please do. Maybe the papa go 4 since morning and I thought said, yeah, me video bit me at it. Many about Ghana hey, among the brave problems. And young Kwana would date Bema or why you. Many people are doing, but they keep quiet because hey, the BDN said any panel would be in a chair or did more obedient. Which me, I will not subscribe to a very good thing. Since any panel being about the lamplighter, a big good animals. Into one here, Chinabino, a better day, so will be crabbing in a little winning. And another dimension, who parents at tea. Says, see, I say, may a young girl, I learned say, about just we are 29 years, which I think is a Usa when you cry because maybe chum be Usa. But I think say why are they to the point say who feel how we will, yet may name quite about so but they would the make us why are they. But some of you, we are role models to many people. There are many people that you don't know they look up to you as Tracy say, oh, mommy, or you're my mentor, mommy, or you're my role model. And it's an idea be a fan who be they see say a idea on me. This is what maybe you don't know. And then let me obi kasa or say last night when your video no, not 20,000 people were watching at the same time. So all these people, many people will be influenced by what they are doing. So you're positive, they will be influenced positively. So they're negative, they will be influenced negatively. And you know, all the young girls they say, "Oh, mobile basis no." Obi piano obi who situation like this, say, "Nipa na all you need role model no." What happened? They say, "Hey, now some background no one friend now what tour now books now look attractive." You don't have to do anything serious. Men you may be and how home you who feel just bombay na bomb what they say obenya penny be a sika one itself. Onya no that back no me ni nsa pa obeto fear to come on. Oba bia na afen only from 18 years coming now. Or look attractive or very fresh, the books everything is nice or back nice or look attractive or you be an one friend. Say ni pano we any role model. What a person is going to think and say, wow, say me role model atimi anya fee anya car. Just by only obi or wokunu ada. The obey say, what is the use of me going to sell pure on the street? What is the use of me going to dirty myself? Mention memory come on. Now me makeups. I should just dress nice. The moment is a member of Bosiana me to turn that me look attractive. Steady a beya. Menya will be a oya papa be a sika one is some no so me mupa. Onyane ko ba kum bi ni me nsa. Manya fi manyaka. Anything no, those who see you as a role model, those who see you as a mentor no. Now no omo be sha say be bobra bi a omo ko pebra bi. That's number 1. And many of these matured men omo wo mu sika no. Dodo na e wo yere wo ma almost do the family. Anything the young girl and who are and interpret so neto ejamu or look attractive for nama or touch and honor. Onako papa bia sa pa na papa no etikali panodomua. The ebesini said, Sa papa na wadi the family is going to break down. So family need break it down and kwadom wo awade no mu a omo benefit from papa ne o ma union no. Now they will begin to suffer. Okay? See that dimension I am taking you. Maybe someone see share video and share the video. You can invite friends. You can like our page also. The American say see you know. Obi Biano who I say Miss Bear and as a woman here tracing all these beautiful ladies are through the year say okay, Omuni Obi na done and Nipan was kind of why you're fine. All those young beautiful ladies coming up and now who say we role model and now we are mentor no. The Ebesini say Obi say so bad your effect. Now body air fine. We look very nice or Coca-Cola shape or hips or ass, you know, who boobs you look beautiful, your legs are so nice, you can walk majestically, who look attractive. You don't need to get your hands dirty. All that you need to do is to stay put, clean yourself, look fresh. Somebody who is a sugar daddy papa no ebeba be foul. Onyafa wa short time, ubenya fi ubenya ka. Why na person that one I war so good no more best to me kofa mako anu ase no marry. No. Now no you're the young girls now. Omo hu say moye role models, moye mentors no. They will stop getting their hands dirty. Omo sukulu ko omo nche da nko ni yie because say onim say o sukulu ko ayekwa ko ba e benya nyuma ye. And there are so many unemployed graduates go. They may go school to grab a mention in your man yet. They make me look fresh. Now my catches on Papa Bia. My we a banner star. I will be steady. I'm asking the Canadian. Maybe take some year pa. I chain no orange and tell on Bongo school or to be of a Sogunano. Don't forget, more than 90% of these element of Musika or Mutimutisika to come more bar and not to feature or bano. Or my young they have their own family, they are building and crowd womb or any womb. Sa young beautiful lady no eba. Papa in the 89 old, Abia making Sebi ne breast in the cry na Jabu. Abia making the total cry then I style be. On look attractive how I not here about 20 years ago. The young girl at the bar, the attention of this old man, if any papa say about tell me that one, the attention will be drawn to the young beautiful lady, which eventually or probably no might break this marriage as our old man the woman no. A break here, the wife is going to suffer, the children will be suffering. A man is now you the mentor, you the role model, no, who now call society, no, and no your man aside. Then a bad man is aside now. Bear man the enemy say, hey, may a young man, Minisika. Sa again, Yakoban said, Mamma no more Canada or more for young girls now. No money or more, no more to cast me fear more. So what it means is that maybe your young girl Minisicano, say, my mere man young car. Or bow him taste me because or bow him taste me per bema with my car and if you man. So the young boy, then I saw it. On some pep can be swap or the biggest car or bet him to fear the car a man and girlfriend. The Abanas are young guy, no, and a dubious way of getting money over here. Sebasa is Uncle Robio, Uncle Jessica Drew, on your idea and your love from pa. Obey because say, I want to have a woman of my choice. And for you to be able to have a woman of your choice, you know, you must be in a position to buy cars and houses for them. One year is I won't know about painting, men and special say, or more yen no ma on Benyesika. And when people begin to engage in these rituals and all this kind of fraud in those things, do you know what happens? Look, I say, Nipa suffer now, everybody suffers. Samsona, young girls, and I'm saying, men now almost was old people, no much than no, so no. We are young now, who are Fimpuna, 1 year when you win. So something I even advise you say, 70% between Yapapano and Asikanibia. Mamin compare Drubia and Senator. So those young girls now they begin to go to ritual people are doing mystical things, some evil things. Say they pay your mate to me and they grab Obi. So one actor we are, you know, and I'm we are role model to many people, and I'm we are a mentor to many young ladies, you know. A better so a situation whereby the young ladies are not ready to work hard because when so they hear is a international fed. Now I look attractive, I have a nice boobs, I have nice ass, I look attractive, a baby I fine, I have a very beautiful lips, I can speak nice English, I look nice, with the say a fatamine, all that, you know. They hear and say, men look attractive to this element, I'll get them and they will take care of me. So the young girls will not dirty their hands anymore. They will not try to even try to achieve any tangible future for themselves. Seeing you as a role model and then as a mentor, this is how they will be doing things. Now, old men here. Many of these old men are married people, they have their family. When this girl goes there, their marriage is going to break down. And the children in that family, they will suffer. So I guess it's easy to grab any of these old men. They might tell you, say, I mean, cause or suffer be ho, me come malam be ho, me go you do be ho. So say they make me grab us a mine. So do you know how the world is going to be like when the young lady begin to have this perception? Say, me here dear beer, and I'm saying hear me and me well baby, me sabe kana me kope. Do you know how it's going to be? The young guys no more nisikano. They might not be able to have ladies of their choice because omu nisika, omu to fear check, omu to can check. So they also must do everything possible to get money so that they can get the cars and the houses for their girlfriends. And the money in Ghana, they will be forced to engage into scamming, frauding, and it's very, very difficult for them. They can now go into ritual, money rituals and all that. The band is how will be pure men will suffer. So the American say, my own analysis is a mini about Tracy, as it will be your band and Kasa. Tracy, because I have a video here, I am nobody compare me to all the other big guys on more social media. No, I'm just a simple, humble guy. But I'm telling you, say, what you're going through, no, stress and depression. You might not know. My master told me, say, when you find yourself in the middle of ocean, no matter how expert a swimmer you are, you cannot save yourself. Huh? When you find yourself in the middle of an ocean, now you need any tube beer and a life jacket beer, now you look at Atlantic Ocean. No matter how expert swimmer you are, you will not be able to save yourself or rescue yourself. You need somebody to come from up your baby helicopter and out the boat to a ship. So I feel say the situation you are now, you are hurt because say the now one expert is a bedroom and a bedroom. It is also taking a political dimension which you never thought say anything you'll be so depressed. Papa if the person is responsible, he will cut his connection with you. And when he does that, you will feel betrayed and disappointed. Because of this, stress and a higher level of depression sets in. One year, a bit near for team, a banner side, your kids, they will be going through serious turmoil. That's the aspect. And now, see, your political season, politicians cannot be trusted. I am telling you, if you want to be sincere, listen to what I'm saying. Politicians cannot be trusted when it comes to they grabbing power. They will do everything possible to grab power. So you'll be a follow politics. Politicians, they don't even care if it means they have to even eliminate somebody physically by the person dying for them to win power. Or you'll be a kind of cry. Politicians can do that. NDC want to win the power. MPP want to win the power. A big person be in NDC maybe or bedroom home money. Some soldier be an idea and say they will see how they can decide to do anything against you. You can listen to me. Mark my words. What I'm saying. May say there might be some force soldier be or NDC. That's our force soldier no. Or no be or any position NDC. But the SC when I wear the pivot, when I wear the foundation of the SC Obama said the why Ebema or more pertinent to lose power. No, so our force soldier now will be any baby can think of harming you. Yes, Sansona NP before him say trend na kon say ya to December na a fresh one for 5 years e be benefit you. So this one now obi on so ti MPP mo ye force soldier bi a obi ambo nim no e bi party kra we ne power e obi ani no on so ba gi say eh Tracy Boache de o ye no hu and this for mpe kra o nya ko metimi ha na sa de kra na ma ye me ko ya de bi na ye fa ko she NDC for so obi ani no e force soldier o nim he o party no obetimi a try to harm you said e be ya e be ma o party no bad name because e be benefit no. See, political strategy is very dangerous. Huh? See, Jenna, me, I speak from my heart, not with hatred, but I am telling you what wisdom says. And they see the Chinobi, say, Kobane said, Tracy Boache Bia, Sebi Mikase NC, now they know Bia will be the car of Bona, no Bia to Tracy Bia, Tracy Boache. I am telling you, say, about 90% of Ghanaians, because say, hey, Bia, it is connected to the AC. Connected to the party, and affect on me, and this is what I mean, see, let me sincere. Anything, yes, anything in India, or the Air Force on your beat. Our Kazan, our Bufu, and our Bufu, Mamako Haman and MPP. It is possible. So I'm going to be Air Force on your beat when people say, I think we're going to be too tracy, but people might think, say, and this is, political strategy is something you should be afraid of. I am telling you, as a wise person, I am telling somebody with experience. So, if you like, leave Ghana. Theo, I'm a psychic. I am a psychic. Over Timia, free Ghana. The first thing, leave social media. Stop talking. Stop responding to people. Obi or say what I'm now asking. Or no one say you are at fault. Opa your video 1 million times. Obia or you was some tum no. Opa men kasa bio nipa ne tum. So the more na wo ye video so na ohun ye himo. Na the more na ohun ye himo no na put some threat to your life. Videos are more ye nyina no e beda hot to thy kingdom come this social media. Wo deleting pa among for afa go to mo page so the dada. O man na mo wonje dey see and they will grow up and they will come and watch those videos. They will come back and watch those videos and how is it going to affect their lives. Omo benya be go school. Omo school mu no people refer to their mothers, oh mama can we. But they can't cry. It is on the internet. Mama media make and say, yeah, dear Biana. We need to have the repercussions in the mind. And I won't be able to be, and we must consider the repercussion before any action is taken. Okay? I must say, before you start any journey, have the destination in mind. Before you start any journey, have the destination in mind. And I won't be able to be, and please think of the result first. The media trace boache, and me what say, or the who say, so Baba until Baba your video name Miss Bebe. Not saying the true. I don't think it's saying can trace boache, go make it a move no. So who say as soon as I go social media, a bedroom baby I'm not taking political dimension to the point that my American party members go before me. To the point that my American Berman Pa or Diba Midibino, one way over to him one. I don't think it's saying because a move. So now topic is say you need to think of the repercussions of any action before any step is taken. You know, you're very careful. The AC. You remember baby, A making almost young girls be hard. Only the source of income to them and their family. And you're wrong. Say if you away about for na wakofa wo yire chi na woni obi twempra ni na ya de amboa. But I know many ladies are omusuku omukọ omodie no mubedi ebi ade bi e sustain omo no mobusu afọ papa bi a ebi owo gere ebi na yire ni Ghana ha e na ono so edi ma onya bi panimu bi a oyese bi ase aya alert we very careful say wow na sa ade we betimi ato bi say bi ma menya careful. So because of what they na why you many men omo bi dia ebi a omo ye mistakenly, you know, irresponsibly omo fa omo ye no machi omo ye no manye no, they will set up about this amanfo na omo so nya source of income if you omo ho, they will start suffering. They be pay with school fees ayen tua bio because I didn't man very careful na ko tinja pasemasi. So that one act, you know, you betimi be more to the point about say it engulfs everybody in the country. Tracy Bache, like I said, I don't have any malice against you. I don't even know you in person. Like I said, the many people phone akasa say omunimu a omono nkasa because I so be or done swim in the middle of an ocean. That person cannot save him or herself. Or he has to be ogina chain be or tibo to move or take a look up the moon for whom be masters or woman save who. Where you are now, no, you might not even know say there's something wrong. Me say you might not know say there's even something wrong. You might think say everything's okay, it's normal. You have the right to respond to whoever you have to respond to, and you have the right to say whatever you want to say. But I am telling you, as a life coach, as a counselor, say you are under depression. You have some stress. You might say yes or no, but I am telling you. So when you're very careful, mark what I'm saying on the line, on the wall. Say to also say yeah for the next 2 weeks, something terrible will happen. And they say people will be fed up with you to the point say they might even like to even attack you physically. Meti asemba could be anyamede. Asemba could was in men's bed 40 years. Now the 40 years, you know, 7 periods and never ban soon you know you know. Meti asemba be wusumiti. Some men's bed 40 years. The 40 years, you know, 7 periods and never ban soon you know you know. You know what you're saying? Obi piano your banner over 40 years and above. okowura bathroom a obehede ba no so say adwunu wo so ana na wadwen say nti ono ka kire me say me ba so your dono nti na atam na wadi Mezbel no me wadi me sa atam ni bi in the alley because me were 40 years and above. Nti the more na we your video no kono obon so ba bia na wadi 40 years ko bia na ono so kunu so ya fresh or nice or look attractive obepe say be ma ne na onzu nya bibi film no o sha sha badwon say ma di so adwuni bia ni so guys say adi dwono wo so anything no the person will see you say wadi na tell the alley. Yeah, maybe you don't get it. Until oba bi on over 40 years and above no will now begin to feel say atamna we dey Mezbel say be over 40 years te ne ba so nyina ya dwono no ampa adwono wo so until ono so ono your ba no more than 40 years or you know hey wadi matam ni bi until the more na o ko so na wo ye video no people will be fed up with you people will be fed up with you. And when people become fed up with you, no, among Kasa, words are not mere things, or words are your thoughts. And the more the population will be all those thoughts will culminate. And a very, very heavy say when it falls on you, you cannot carry it. Me say all the 40 years and above people now no matter how they are close to you no okowura about to know when I dey so na edwin was edwin so pa obe feel say what did natem the no ba bia na over 40 years only kunu a bia fe no all pay no obe hu ni say or approach oba be ma bia na be ma no ka say what did fear say no ka say me pa to me 42 years pa be ma na dwe wadwin say eh ana afa na ade no kwa no edwin was one because of that, you know, or baby, when the 40 years and above, no, we'll begin to see, say, what did not tell in the alley, even though now we'll catch him, Mezbel. A banasa now, the Badona Becca said, Tiao, and so when you just say, CAR, you'll be forced to stop by the responses from people. Merci now. C'est my video way. Obi nim kesi boache on tag no. O tag na one number. Fere ka keze me patch video way ko tie ni nyina wie. Na fa adwen. Because the Americans say any political period. And the whole thing are taking political dimension. And into the idea easy. We say this lady have two problems or on a personal problem and they say Obenya stress and a depression because if I come at the center of the whole mess in Inano, or me, say me Jenna, I can not do that, but I'm saying to be obedient, say me, and I do in a family one. I will come to you and tell you, say, please stop this. I can't take this anymore from you. Don't do any life anymore. Now, me catch now, not say, when Tia, what I will do is say, I'll back off from the relationship. Now, my cousin tears, so I mean, say you will seize the lifestyle as now. For the fact that say we push away lifestyle as say, see that say, mine not can or can you know when tie to the buff or chain hoko, and now say, what shall I say now, you know, and I'm so offering and you are saying, or mine you build and stress and depression and setting into I won't push away life no more. Name the more now bear life no more. No, I feel Emma beginner or relationship won't be old. Now, I take a political dimension. So the NDC will feel, say, and your NDC as a whole, baby, she party be a young Casafo, Sabi, party be a young Casafo, be a Omagino, and Yajuma, and into a party be a all this kind of militant to Mudi H. BBC or Bakis kind of child, BBC or Baki to a Kumubi. At the end of the day, Yamana 1,000 Ghana pay because baby, a young Profomagin and Yajuma. So in the NDC, there are so many Sabi Nkrofo Magino and Chada Yajuma ye. Santona in the NPP no, ya Nkrofo or Magi and Chada Yajuma ye. And into the AC no, at Twasuna Qua, there are some people in NDC or Magi and Chada Yajuma. They might think that they are no, a bear affected their own gains when it comes to December election. No? So, or a Quasampani Misabi. the person can try to harm you. Because he said, the way you're having. Santana, you're some confirm one people who said your margin is a genuine. Or take us, hey, get no NDC, the oil no NDC pa, NDC for you know, met me a little. Mamma, could be now, NDC for. See what I'm telling you, I'm a psychic, I'm a life coach, I'm a counselor, and I'm telling you as a thing because me in political science, papa, because I study human psychology. Timeslow, Tracy, say you be poor, ebi umu obia, ebi unferi obia, ebi my obia gaba, because who is Kenikasiapa? I know, sir, you cherish your life and the life of your kids. There be a wunti obia by stopping your life telecast because ebi unferi obia, na umbu obia, and now they be unfound one. Are you telling me that you don't care for your life or the life of your kids? I know, sir, you have love for yourself and that of your kids. So please listen to this wisdom. Stop the live telecast. No matter the Obibe stop it. Yes, Obi Amebo, where your life among for Beshe, and why you're more famous, we are more popular. But your life is at risk because the time we are and your normal times. The NTM managing normal times and say, this 2020 election, head to head. I am telling you because they check these things. And this is about when we are winning easy. They know say any very easy. The other people come and say, yeah, 3 days, feed everybody, so you are winning. They know say any easy. Head on election. And the idea behind pushing for carbon thing, and as idea about quality, they will not allow to go on like that. So Tracy Mipacho, my name is Gianna Chakish Das. I'm nobody, but if you can listen to this word of wisdom, and yes, I'm not seeing me in a market to down here. System na you and you're very fair. 2 things is either say Uber so depressed to the point where you can even go mad. I will never wish that for you because I know you have children and you are very beautiful lady. And I say somebody might even try to harm you because you said your way, it be affect your gains. And now somebody can just pretend to harm you. Say never show be. See, you need to think broad and be careful. Timothy say from Nekoya, stop doing Facebook telecast. That's the first thing. Second, Ubetimia say see if they are to airport no more, but then be a plane back. Ubetimi afa ways and means obey. It is not difficult for you to get to UK. Please, if you can live with your children, leave. If you can live with your children, leave Ghana. Go and stay there. After the election, come back to Ghana. And yes, sir, I dear me, no, I must suggest my one you move Ghana, for your and papa in regards to Science and Mammy. If you like, mark my words. Because some of us, your serious experience in life. You can't be said, Accra, the Obia Yebida, Penin Obi Yebida. What it means is that Mesbel now, what to say now, according to you, Mesbel was tasting how it is to be a 29-year-old girl before. Yes, because Mesbel has ever been 29 years some time ago. But you don't know what is inside 40 years because you have not gotten there yet. The Bible say, Penny no be yebida. And yakoda, yenina no be yakoda. But Penny no be yebida. Ebiana de menina wunim. You might be so smart, but I mean, if you're going to say, there's some things I know you might not know. Tell me too, for say 2 things. Stay offline. Remember social media bio for now. Jaina do it and conquer that. If you love yourself and you love your children, please. And you will be an hour fermenting away and who here for your own security. Second one is Obetinia. Leave Ghana. Upon baby for some time. And no matter for more after the election, it will be no about. And yes, I know so Obekoso. Now why your life all the time. Obekoso now the oil na there. one way over to me bro amame. You see that depression will overtake you to the point that one here you don't back to I am telling you for fact because I know what I'm talking about. And I say a bedroom baby one way here somebody who doesn't understand politics very well can try to harm you to gain some political advantage. The American will say, so what's your mammy? A bit to me, I then abu. One tear, me never cut. Me a casapoli, that's the only thing I can do. By God's grace, I have some level of intelligence, and they are making. So what you this one? I tell you, say, I benefit so well. Now I know what I'm saying. You see, there are more than you man go. You man go. I didn't know my own. A baba shem chronophobic kutopa. As a CA, you know, Uba who said, a baba will be a baby siswa. I do my day a bear 10 of the past. So, bet to me, I look attractive. So, that me have fresh, I mean, one fade, me nice to see why me look very attractive. And then, remember, I said, don't have a boobs, they don't have a ass, and you'll be a person out. We didn't pet. There are some people like it, we don't like it. But why you say, oh, be our boobs can say who actually, who are hips, who to move judging or something. Yes, me, my man, is a video. I may tell me how much when you are when you come and on. I'm going to be pan and run on a travel. So I didn't mind the show many hands. With the Nako say, a chin yet. Me say, 3 days ago, the Nura, may drive up, and then who girl be pa, the man, the show many hands. Need the umbrella, chin yet. Tin. Now, they had a open day. Open the one upon some other go away by one of the one. Ah, Nihano, tin. Now, I read a mother now. Why any multicolored be say, hey, members of party, you been who could drop out. Huh? A bit more could draw. So, by way, I dare send a near cheater on the hop. Not so bad as well. I didn't have any count when me. Not Bama Bedinati. Now, when a mother and a party, we are Calano and a woo and an awful throttle at home. Missy, hey, I somewhere the annoyed you. I'm waiting, papa. Yeah, the young girls now they will think say, "Mammy slay, now Miss Slim one they are many better huh? They hear the Miss Slay no my clean no my neat. Huh? They hear no. Me nyaduma. The school no woman say be a make or university wana. All men be a say be on that nyen. E be oko so ko hu nice girl. Girl na wana nyim so. Se so paso di you know nya fie or is the go na nya car. What the answer but modern yana nya oluma ba ko e fa papa na so ni mu se kuya. Also, you are on for any and call the school who be because we are the role model, we are the mentor. And you know, the Mayano, a best say the way people think. Then saying, some of our young guys be about Mokotrom as I'm saying, upon and to. They have the guts, they have the infantry. Eddie did a certain president attempt. What I say, Emprano, is it the first timer? Or more AB or one will be Panimata. Every day they are seen on social media. The political activists, you know, tell them who didn't pay for money. Anything crown so I'm working all the time, you know. They feel that there's nothing wrong with me insulting another. There is nothing wrong with me insulting a former president Mahama. Because even them paying for more honorable people or more parliament, they are able to insult. The incredible one to be theater, no, be a woeful. What I say, one day the chance here. They are seeing you guys on social media insulting people, say, we are role models. So they don't see anything wrong with they insulting people. The mechanic say, the Amayana Asino, our social media, those young girls, you know, will pick up on those things, you know. No matter so, say me DA, me look fresh and attractive, me no be a grab, me not grab only be a Marie. To see, no, a man, the Omoyano, or more top pressure, serious pressure. And the man, or many young guys, and they did here, every Mumpo and Toby, my boys needy. Those girls, you know, they are under serious pressure. Say, hey, now me ban no adan, ya boni dua. Ah, obi dia ba, be man ni share o tin ko to fie wo is the gomano. Adan ono ne ban no adan ode, then why no? People be see a man for has feel very inferior. Huh? Me bra ba ko ka kem say lady be sending a video. Say on fan to the platform so. I say, bra, hwe me nufu pa e kura me. Hwe me to, the way me tie. na me de be ma me ne tire bi ogum so pampan kapre kura nim no mesra o se me pe mpanifo ni bi. You see how people are thinking? Obi bia na owo physical asset no. Now the person will think say there is no need getting yourself dirty anymore. Just try and grab somebody. You are trying not to mean grab one. Now the being I mean so may cause some spiritualistic or many some spiritual power be as and now they begin to seek help from all these mystical ways. Why you very lucky? Now go to baby anya now go tip be yi bi ama ho. Why you lucky no okoko nya obi a on so aye sugar that yi bi owo sika. On so why you na ma because of young girl now do be opportunity no ebe break his family no. The children and the wife of that family will begin to suffer. And men are young, they say almost nisika. When Yasika, also never papa or pen. Now they will begin to think, says, I am so pay a dear be a Yasika. Sad they can be armed robbery. A bit by a scamming, a bit by a fraud, a bit by money rituals. Nina, 1 hour 10 jobs and found, a bit found one day. So, Mammy Tracy, I didn't know my shas, a idea mu eduru pay the tentacles no as spread said ye wo de abo atu nsuom na ye film the tentacles na so pa ba wo de ni na to nchen one gasa our life and the life of your kids is at stake ti mesra wo betie mi a me nyi obi a wo Ghana ha me ni tumi bia wo Ghana ha me nyi obi a me yeni bakese wo Ghana ha. I'm a smallish man like me, a very smallish average person. Manu nujum, but the American so ube tia. One day, we be carry say because that situation where me tia papa be put to social media. So papa no wahina me konkoda na say everybody no by that time. Okay? Ti the American masro, Sister Tracy. But chose obi ni mama na. Say me video mun tag no. O tag no nkoko hwe ya, o pa friend say sister. So papa we video no tie nya time. My video 1 hour 15 minutes. Take your time and listen. Ebebo. Abusi ameda mase. Ebe musuni asenya nkopɔ empanu. Eba mo chawo. Ye Zoom no, ye Zoom meditation no, ye meditation for spiritual awareness no. Nkopɔ ya adoma, me pese ye be sha ase on Sunday. Sunday me na me ya asɔre ewo a temple. Normally me ya asɔre me pon around 5:30. The my second betimi and bears at 5:30 and as a 6 no na ya share Zoom meditation for spiritual awareness and spiritual advancement. Do you be over your Telegram platform no so you try also be and download the Zoom account because you the Zoom no link never to your platform so no be connected. You Zoom account you betimi for more than 1,000 and over. It means you be no our person will participate here where you're a member no, you have access to this meditation for spiritual awareness. It will help you see in painful cancer. You can say anger, how to control anger, and yet very easy and very difficult. You know why? Because anger, we only one word the pet and the become power, I danger. Okay? Anger ANGER, anger. Only one word the pen obey here that anger, when about danger. What did D become a danger? So it means that as soon as you get angry, you become very dangerous to yourself and to your environment. And then to know how to control yourself when you are even angry. I have anger management. Stress. Hey, I dear how been pay. Don't person would distress you one. The obey say bring DI there. You distress yourself. Today, if you distress you, when stress comes, how do you control yourself? How do you control yourself? Okay? And then I remember Sunday, no me say, me timu duru fie ntamwa, be 5:36 no, na ye Zoom ni ahya ase. Ye nche da nche, na obi atimi participate. Ti say the be no, ye be ya the best thing say ye be tenase. Ti ba bi a wo be wo no, ba konwa obetimi atenase, obetimi atenase the way ankramfo tenase so. That is very good. And our office be a wapa konwa tenase. Enche da nche, na ye be teach kakra bi na ma kire. Ye sha ase ye be every week be ya ye be every week be say be ya ye betimi atumpon because the AC Mr. Tracy you be a or self control go no ankasa ebetimi apesive hu say ade we me ko kan say de besi ntin we nyina ya ade ebetimi ya aboa ye ho ye ho a ye mfa ye nkokoto to amane nti no wonya download the Zoom na wa download me pa che wo nka transformation ho a ukoye page so a yewi a koso you see telephone numbers for every country there. Maybe I will contact them, they will add it to our group, not be part of us, not participating in our Zoom meditation conference. Madam, I say, the baby Musunia saying, Yanko and Pamu, the baby in Shana Adam on Fanome. May every do we are medical to YouTube. Your page on YouTube on air transformation era. Go and subscribe to the page. Can be so many videos for her. And I mean, my personal YouTube page, so me back with Guyana Churches Dance, and about the Seekers of the Truth. Seekers of the Truth. Okoha, Ope say, me page, you know, you can like and follow me. Then be my so many videos. You take your time, watch it. There will be a you tell me all that. By a platform is there. So you'll be a work and watch how you know say here we only learn, we don't fight, we don't insult people. Even a man for any we still allow them because we all agree to disagree because we are in a democratic dispensation. Madam as a position for Master Mokano Mako, Madam as someone you bring now, Mahame. Mamma, you're in feet. When him to Boachia, tag her. So bet to me and send this video to her. Friend, I can say, all her video will be to me a day. Abuan. All the videos I'm watching in will be a take one dimension. So over here, I have broadened the whole spectrum. So in your time now here, you remember Boama baby to me a day. Aye. Oh, your bar now who I fed. Oh, boobs. When they were fine. Oh, nice teeth. Oh, ass. Oh, less. We be a farm snow. You will still be beautiful if you become hardworking. It is so blissful to be able to deserve something before you gain it. When you deserve something before you receive or you gain it, you know, a show mama we are satisfied. But one baby and more one shall pay you maybe anya. And no more open and no more won't deserve to know. Won't say at the end of the day, no and benefit to anyway. So yes, every man is looking for a beautiful lady to marry. Yes, we are about our welfare. Yes, but do man aye. You wanna go school ye. Ye na obi amfa wo so ango gu na wade. Wo ko bata obi kunu ho na wade ko gu a. Na be ma na hwe na yire na manyina emusu bi ba e bi kam. Okay? And ntino ma mo hu ye nuama no bi say omo ye mentors ne omo role models no. Yes, mun di o machi, but no ma bi wo ha na ye too higher. Na mo advice mo. Madam say, ya me hwe wo so yi na de be ye nhye na de mo fa no. De be ye consider all that and Yango empelling in. Madam say, Jenny, Master Bye bye.